What we
So
maintain?
900. 900.
Okay,
600.
then why it is showing 800? Let's see. If I go to scales, 7,900 from 11th quantity onwards. And if I go to my sales order, uh,
Update.
11, yeah, update maybe. Let's try to update it. Carry out new pricing. It is showing 8,000, which is also wrong. So let me try to create a sales order. Enter this customer, this reference, term, import term, 11 quantity, and for this particular plant. Okay, let's go and see conditions. 7,900. Right, again, if I come out, normally it should be changed automatically. I don't know why I need to go out, but let me try to change the quantity now to 51. So it should be 7,600.
Hello, Vikram.
Yes.
Yeah, nowadays everything is installment based. Means
Mhm.
if it's a 10,000 rupees or $10,000 value, we'll be dividing into 10 installments. So how do we do that in standard SAP?
No, what do you mean by installments, Akshay?
Means if the base price or gross price is uh, first condition is 10,000 rupees. Okay,
Mhm.
I am paying it via 10 installments.
So that is billing plan.
Okay, okay. So we cannot configure in the here
We configure, but that is completely
type.
different thing actually. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
we can do that actually, but that is not pricing. Your pricing will still remain same. How you are paying, that is different thing. But ultimately your pricing will remain same, right?
okay. So okay. So that condition, this condition will remain same, but the billing plan will be different. Correct.
Exactly, exactly. So there are multiple options, Akshay. First thing is what we
Okay.
are discussing is pricing. Now pricing is going to remain same. So 7,600 is my total price. But now if you are talking about the payment terms, so I'm not going to pay this entire amount at once. I'm going to pay this amount in 10 different installments. So that will be part of the payment terms. Number one. But
Okay.
that is only
So that
when you are doing
should be
at
seen.
once.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There are different scenarios in the scenario that you are talking about. We need to understand from the different scenario point of view. Number one is what is price. Number two is when are you going to create the billing, and finally when are you going to make the payment. These are the three different things. Let's the price is 10,000. How much are you going to bill? Are you going to bill 10 different times or once?
Okay. Okay. So 10.
You are going to bill it 10 times. For example, let's keep it simple, 12,000. My total price is 12,000 and I am going to pay monthly installments for 12 months. So in that case, if you are saying that even the bill will be created in monthly installments, so every monthly you are going to bill 1,000 and every monthly you are going to get 1,000, right?
Okay.
This is called as
Okay.
billing plan. This can be achieved with the billing plan. So although
Okay.
your order value or sales contract value is 12,000, but every monthly you are only going to bill 1,000. This is one scenario. Second scenario is your price is 12,000. You are creating the bill now itself for entire 12,000, but the payment you are going to make only 1,000 per month. So this can be achieved via payment terms. This can be achieved via billing plan. Because here the billing is also bifurcated for 12 months. Here the billing is done at once itself.
Okay, got it.
Right, but that has nothing to do, even whether you are paying monthly basis or what, it has nothing to do with the pricing. The pricing will still remain same.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay, same way we have understood till now regarding PR00. We also understood what are the scalings now. Now let's again go to my sales order, and you can see I can add additional discount here. So for example, I want to give percentage discount to a particular customer. So RA00. What I'll do is I will enter the condition for RA00, which means I'll go to VK11, and this time I will maintain the values for RA00. Enter. You can see there is no access sequence for condition type RA00, which means if I show you this condition, if I take you to the condition type and condition type for RA00, okay, double click on this, you can see there is no access sequence. If there is no access sequence, then you will not be able to maintain in VK11. And if you are not able to maintain in VK11, this means this has to be handled manually. So if you want to maintain the percentage, there is only one choice. In the order, you can enter it and you can specify how much percentage discount you want to give. For example, I want to give 2% of discount. You can see I can enter it manually. But if I want to determine this value automatically, then definitely what I need to do is I need to specify the access sequence here. Then only system will be able to determine the discount on its own. Let's try other ones. So percentage based discount, there is no accesses. What about the other things? If I do F4, so I have discount based on value RB00 and RC00. Let me see if this has the access sequence. RB00 also doesn't have the access sequence, which means we have to provide it manually. Same way RC00, again there is no access sequence. Just assume. Okay, so again what I am doing is instead of changing the standard one, I am copying this, or maybe I'll copy RA00, which is percentage based, and I will create ZRA0. Okay, and this time what I'll do is I will provide the access sequence PR02, same PR02 access sequence, which I assign to PR00 also. And very importantly, because this is a newly created condition type, I have to include this condition type in my pricing procedure. So I'll go to my pricing procedure, and instead of RA00, I will say ZRA0. Okay, save it. And obviously, now we need to go to maintaining the conditions, which is VK11 for ZRA0. You can see all those accesses are now appearing. Customer material, I will tell the system if this is a material, then give 4% discount. You can see as soon as I say 4, system is automatically calculating that percentage. Because when we define this condition, ZRA0, let me show you this condition type. In ZRA0, it is percentage based. And you can see system is automatically taking the sign as minus, right? You can see system is automatically showing this sign as minus because whatever is this condition, this is going to be deducted from the actual price. This is not going to be added. See, if it is a freight would be in addition to the price, but the discount is normally minus from the actual price. Okay, and that is the reason it is coming as minus automatically. So what will happen now, if you go to your sales order and you try to update, what will happen is system will carry out the new pricing, and according to the new pricing, there should be 4% discount. Let's see, is it showing? It is not showing as of now. So let me come out completely. Try to create VA01. Create with, sorry, I'll just press enter. Okay, let's try to see now. It is still not showing that condition. What could be the reason? Let me go to VK11 and see whether it is properly saved or not.
TR
Sorry.
generate new. TR generate new pricing procedure when you enter the price condition type in determination pricing determination.
Okay. Let me go to the. It is saying it is saved now. TR, because this screen was already open, that is the reason TR was not generated.
Okay.
Let me see if that is the case, then here it will not show me that condition. It is showing that condition, na?
Yes, yes.
ZRA.
Correct. Yes.
So ZRA0, what I maintained. I maintained correctly.
GRA 0. Correct.
Let me change it to RECH, this customer, this material, execute 4% starting from this date. What is my order date currently? Order date is 3. It should be calculated. Something wrong. Let me try. What is the problem? So condition type and this one. Let me try to enter it manually if there is any problem. So ZRA0 and I want to give 4% as discount. Manually it is working. Why it is not able to generate automatically update, carry out the new pricing? No, by default it is not working. PR02, let me see if there is any setting here. Header condition. Okay, maybe it is available at the header level. Let's go and see at the header level itself.
It is a header level condition.
Right, so let's see if it is at the header level itself. So conditions, no, even at the header level it is not showing. It is header plus line, both are allowed. So just 1 minute, let me see. There is something wrong. A, this is fine.